Founded in 1902, General Motors traces its roots to the Rapid Motor Vehicle Company. It officially became GMC in 1912, making it one of the oldest truck manufacturers. During World War II, GMC produced over 600,000 military vehicles, including the famous Deuce and a Half 2.5-ton truck that became iconic for its durability. In 1912, GMC introduced one of the first electric trucks designed for short-distance deliveries in cities. Truck collectors and gearheads alike have sought after GMC's square-body-style trucks for vintage shows. The classic, durable, and nostalgic feel of the 1980s square-body truck still upholds a legendary cult following, even in 2024. The GMC Canyon, a popular mid-size truck, debuted in 2004 but draws inspiration from the smaller, rugged GMC S15 from the 1980s. The GMC Sierra was first introduced in 1962 and has evolved into one of the most advanced full-size trucks on the market today. Visit John Vance GMC of Guthrie, Oklahoma, and find out for yourself, or visit us at vanceautogroup.com today.